how to embed a PDF file in Squarespace. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to embed a PDF file in Squarespace. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Squarespace website on your browser. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on your profile icon and then tap on account dashboard. Then just open any website that you have created. Then tap on pages over here. Then click on this plus icon which is next to main navigation and click on blank page and change its name. Then just click on the edit button of the page that we have created. Over here, tap on add section and then tap on add a blank section. Now click on add block option and then just how you want to embed PDF file either in link format or button and whatever you like. So I will go for link. To do so, tap on text and write a suitable text. Now select the text and tap on link option. Now tap on URL option and tap on file. Then just click on this upload file icon and upload your document over here. Now your file or PDF is embedded in the form of link. So that's basically how you can embed a PDF file in Squarespace. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more content and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.